What's up, y'all? This your guy Mark Lavelle for 61521. And this is going to be a quick tutorial or how-to video on how to replace your treble hooks. This is a prop lure that I bought, or that I lost last summer. And it got caught in the woods or whatever, in the brush or whatever. So I couldn't find it. Just so happened I went over to that same pond about a month ago, actually, and I found it. The hooks are all rusted, so I'm gonna replace them with, and I'm gonna put red hooks on them. Now, this ripstop from Rapala, I got it caught on a blanket or throw, and I had to cut it off because it just wouldn't come out. The hooks are perfect on here, but it wouldn't come off. But I'm gonna put a red hook on the front of it, and the reason being is because when the bass see that red, it kind of looks like blood or whatever to them, and it attracts them. So if you have any, or if you want to learn, or once you watch this video and you figure out or learn how to replace the hooks, if you have a jerk bait or something like that, anything with a treble hook, 2 or 3, on the front, I would suggest you put a red hook on there. So let's go ahead and try it. Now, I've never done this before. YouTube is a mug. I watch YouTube a lot, so let me see if it works. So first thing you're gonna need is some pliers with the little knob on the front. So let's see how this works. And what you want to do is, in your ring, put that clip in between there, and it should open it up. Oh, almost had it. I'm deadly afraid of these treble hooks. If they'll get stuck in your hand, boy, you got a problem. Alright, that's what we want. It ain't as easy as it looked, but we gonna get to it. It makes stuff look real simple on YouTube, but we'll get it. All right, there we go. Bam, got that one off. Actually, just use my thumbnail, hold on. All right, y'all, back at it. So I got the first treble hook off. So I gotta take this second one off. Now I tried it with the pliers. It's having technical difficulties. So I just use my thumbnail, and we'll see how this one works. So now dang, I just had it. Got him. Boom. So I got this one off too. So I'm gonna clean this bait up, and then I'm gonna put the red hooks on them. Now, the ripstop, I just need to put the hook on there. I don't have to clean it. So I got some VMC round bend trebles. This is a size 4 hook. They come 7 in a pack. There's 3. Put the other 4 back. Boom. Now these hooks, besides, well, this one's broke. This one is still pretty good. It's rusted to hell though, so I'm done with it. Where is my ring? Missing the O-ring. I'm sure I got one I can take off of another thing. A bait I don't use. Let's see. Take it off of here. More work, more work. What the hell happened to the ring? These little hooks sharp as shit. There we go. Ah. Shit. I'm gonna put the bitch back on. Alright. Got that off. Now I just gotta take this off. Boom. Take your O-ring. Oh man. Struggling. But nothing beat a fail but a try. So we're gonna get it. First of all, this damn pliers is too big. Jeez. I think I got some scissors. Now we in business. Much smaller. Especially for this little thing. That easy. Oh shit. I'm never gonna find that. Eyesight ain't that bad for a 51-year-old man. This how it really be, not them edits they be showing y'all. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, but anything worth doing is worth the effort. Now I'm gonna cheat. Put this one on that, this hook on that too, at the same damn time. Alright, I'm back again. That was my daughter calling. She had this problem with emissions with her truck, with her SUV. Had it in the shop. I kept telling her, go get it, go get it, go get it. She had spent $400 to get it repaired, but for some reason she didn't pass it. So she went up there. I kept telling her, been telling her for like 2 weeks, go get your car, go get your car, go get your car. Just be careful driving if the stickers expire. She goes, gets the car, and then she calls me. She's like, yeah, I got my car. I'm just going to drive it around. The check engine light is off. I'm going to just drive it around and see if it comes back on. I'm like, nah. While it's off, take it up there right now. I don't know. I want to wait. I'm like, just listen to me. I'm not going to tell you anything wrong. Just listen to me. Go take it up there to the emission and see if you pass. If you don't, you don't. You know where you are. But if you do, everything's great. Go get your sticker and you're all good. Took it up there. She just called me back, said, thank you, Dad. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Car passed the emissions, man. Feels good to be a parent when your kids listen to you. So, back to this. I hope this don't come off. I hope I ain't twisting it the wrong way. Bam! Got it on there. Alright, we're in the home stretch. Just gotta put this hook on there. And we're gravy, baby. We're gravy, baby. God dog it. These treble hooks, boy. No joke. This is a problem. This is the stuff they don't show y'all on YouTube. But I'm going to show it to you. Alright. Now, took this one off earlier. I'm about to go wash it off, clean up real good. And then I'm going to put the 2 red hooks on here. Be right back. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Cleaned it off, you can see, hopefully. You see that up at the top, still dirty. So what I did was took a little toothbrush, an old toothbrush. Clean all that off. And booyah! Bam! Good as new. All these old hooks in the trash. Now, gotta put these back on. Oh shit. Sorry about that. So, let's see how long this is gonna take me. Damn. After I do this about another 5-6 times, I'll be Gucci. The heck? Alright, I got the first one on. Now this last one and we good to go. Bam! See? Anything's difficult when you don't know how to do it. You never did it before. Tying your shoes is difficult until you learn how to do it. So, got these in here. On here, rather. Uh-oh. Almost got stuck with that damn treble hook, boy. I do not feel like going to urgent care. Boom! Good as new, even better. Replacing the treble hooks, y'all. And remember, if you got 2 or 3, or if you got 3, if you got 2 that's in the body part, like right here, put that red hook on there. That's what that bass will see when it's suspended and it's coming from up under it. Boom. This one, I only got red, so I put 2 reds on there. So hopefully that get me double the bites. This your guy Mark Lavelle for 61521. Peace. See you on the next video.